Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter O. Capital O, little o. What words begin with O? Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. The word ostrich begins with the letter O. These giant birds cannot fly, but they can run really fast. Unk. Ostriches lay large white eggs. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. The word onion also begins with the letter O. This vegetable is included in many dishes to give them extra flavor. Onions are a tasty vegetable. Omelette. O-M-E-L-E-T. Omelettes are eggs that are scrambled, cooked, and folded over vegetables or cheese. Omelettes are eaten for breakfast. What sound does the letter O represent? Ah. Can you say ah? Very good. O, the 15th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.